A pretty easy assignment. The first thing you're going to do is read through these poems. You have about 10 options to choose from. You see the titles are all in blue. That means it's a link. So if you click on it and then click on the link, it'll take you to a poem. Now you're going to read through them. They're not very long. Some are longer than others, but none of them are very long. So that'll give you enough time to read through and decide which one you want to do. Now, I want you to pick two out of this list that I've given you. I've only given you a list of 10, so just pick two. And then after you pick two, you're going to go to this worksheet called Poetry Responses, and you're going to answer these questions. These are very easy questions to answer. So you'll tell me the name of the poem you picked. So for option one, you're going to write down the name of it, the name of the poet. For option one, write down the name of whoever wrote the poem that you picked. I'm going to need 3 interesting facts about the poet. So you're going to have to do some research. All you have to do is type in, you could literally go to Google and type in interesting facts about, and then whatever the name of the poet is, and you can find 3 interesting facts. And even if you wanted to copy and paste those facts onto here, you could go ahead and do that. And then you need to tell me why you chose this poem and or poet. And so you'll be doing that for 2 poems. You'll do that for your first poem in this box, and then your second poem in this box. As usual, if you have any questions, let me know. This will be your assignment for Wednesday and Thursday, and by the time we meet on Friday on Google Meet, you should have this done. And if you have any questions, we could go over it on Friday. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I hope you guys do well with this assignment and enjoy this assignment.